Okay, this is remainder concept type 2. We shall use method 1, the branching method, to solve this question. Okay, let's start off with drawing our branches. Okay, so the total. Okay, total stands for the original number of chocolates Miss Rita had. Okay, so out of this, 84 was given to clause 6A. Okay, since we do not know how many chocolates were left after she gave clause 6A, we shall write R, okay, to stands for what was left after giving to clause 6A. So R stands for the remainder. Okay, so 2/5 of the remainder was given to clause 6B. So we branch out from here, 2/5, and this was given to clause 6B. Okay, take note over here, 2/5 of the remainder. Okay, this tells us that for the fraction 2/5, the set is the remainder. That's why we branch out from the remainder. Okay, after giving the clause 6A and 6B, she had 3/5 of the remainder left. Okay, now as usual, we need to work out our final fraction. Okay, something to take note over here. Okay, it was mentioned that she was left with 1/4 of the original number of chocolates. Okay, my question to you is, what is the set for 1/4? Yes, the set for 1/4 is actually the total, or the original number of chocolates. Okay, and recall that for final fraction, okay, the set is actually the total or the original. Okay, so it does make sense that we actually write 1/4 over here. Okay, 1/4 of the original number of chocolates was left. Okay, in line with this, 3/5 of the remainder was left. Okay, so recalling on what you have learned for remainder concept type 2, recalling on what you have learned for remainder concept type 1, okay, how do you calculate final fraction? Okay, you take R times 3/5. Okay, then it will give you the final fraction, right? Okay, so in other words, it's like this. Correct? Yeah. Okay, now how do we calculate R from here? Okay, recall what you have learned in multiplication. Okay, how do I find this blank over here? Yes, you take 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Same thing over here. How do I find R over here? I take 1/4 divided by 3/5. Okay, so I shall write the solution over here. Okay, so my R is actually 1/4 divided by 3/5. Using KCF, keep this, change this, and flip this, I will have 5 out of 12. Okay, in other words, it means that 5 out of 12 of the total is the remainder. Okay, let me erase some ink on the screen. Okay, as mentioned just now, okay, so 5 out of 12 of the total is the remainder. That gives us 7 out of 12 of the total is 84. Okay, so let me write down over here. 7 out of 12 of the total is 84. Okay, if I want to find 1 out of 12, it will be 84 divided by 7. Okay, the question asks how many chocolates did she have at first. Okay, that means we want to find 1 whole, 12 out of 12 of the total. So it will be 84 divided by 7 times 12, giving us 144 pieces of chocolates she had at first. Okay, one thing over here to take note for this method is this thing over here. Okay, this is important. Okay, and then how to calculate R. Okay, if you have forgotten how to calculate R after writing this down, what you can think of is this, like what I showed you just now. ask yourself, how do I find this blank? Okay, in order to find this blank, I take 12 divided by 3. Then I'll get 4. Same thing for here. So if you've forgotten how to calculate R, just think of this example, okay, to help you to find R. Okay, that will be all for branching method.